Hi, in this Visual Basic tutorial we'll be working out the area of a circle. Right there is my title for this very project, so let me sort of like increase the font a little bit more. Okay, let's take it to about maybe 48. That's good. Now I'm going to need a couple of more labels. Let's get a label right there. Change the font of this label. Let's change the color to, yeah, that's fine. And I now need a text box. The text box will be the object where I enter my the radius of the circle itself. So let's continue. So let's change the text content of that label to enter enter the radius of a circle. So let's copy this label and maybe show one of them as the formula itself, and that's it right there. So we know the area equals pi r squared. So now here will be the output. So with the output, let's convert this very one as the output, maybe delete all the text content in there and format it as follows. Let's look for the border style, make that maybe 3D. Change the back color. Let me change the back color to something white. Yeah, maybe that's fine. And let's change this to auto size, make that force. We can just size it as we want. Okay, move it up there. Now, so the right here, let's just put in there, or let's enter in the area anyway. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, that is fine. That's where our output will be. As you can see, the formula up here give us the area equals pi multiplied by r squared. So now I need a command button to enter the rest of my code. Let's get one button right there. Yep, there we go. Okay, I can just call that maybe find or maybe yeah, that's fine. Find area. Yeah, so change the color as well, or let's change the font color. That is fine. Change the back color to something a little bit darker as well. Okay, now we are ready to put our program together. Now I need to know the name of this. That's text box 1 and this is text box 5. So all I need to do is double click on that. Okay, if you want, you can always declare a variable there. Let's call it pi as, make that double, yeah, or maybe double equals 3.142 there. Then write in here my label, which is label 5 dot text equals, we would say pi multiply by, maybe let's say by value, text box 1, whatever content is inside text box 1. Okay, and multiply text box 1 again. Let's copy and paste this there. Maybe group it together and group this guy here together, and that's just the rest to it. So as you are all aware, the area is pi multiplied by r, and that's what I've just done there. So if I run my program right now and I enter, let's say 10 in there, and click on this, it should give me the answer right here. So let me check. Nothing happens. Let's see. You guys cannot see anything there, though the answer is right there. but we can't see it because the font color is white. So let's come in here and just change the font color back to black and run the program again. So the area, that's the radius, so when you click on that, and that is the area. So though it's going to be in centimeters, so let's come in here and change that, maybe change that to centimeter. So let's just change that to centimeter. We come in here and enter as follows. If I now run the program, enter whatever my radius is, click on these, there, that's the answer in centimeter. But supposing we end up entering that there, that will give us an error. So let's change that particular text box so that it only accepts numbers. Double click on that, and I will now look for the following method as key press. Let's look for key press. Where is it? There we go. That's the key press. Enter the following lines of code. I suppose you guys can see it right there. Okay, which means if you enter any character, the system will generate this error message. Alright, now run the program. So I'm going to pretend I'm entering. You see that? It only accepts numbers. So now I've entered number. Check this out. There, it works as expected. So that's how you create a program that calculates the area of a circle. So you all have a nice day now.